All right, hello everyone. So as you can see today, I am starting this video outside, which is a bit different. As you can see, it's a very, very nice, sunny October afternoon, right on the tail end of Fire Safety Week, National Fire Prevention Month of October. So, what better time to do a test of the home fire alarm system than today? And the reason I'm starting outside is because as part of the test, I'm going to go outside and see just how loud the thing is. Because another thing I get a lot is that I get a lot of comments on these home system test videos asking, why is the thing on continuous instead of code 3? Why don't you put it on code 3? Blah, 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 And the reason for that is because, well, for one thing, it makes it very loud when we're inside the house. But when you're outside, you can still hear it, but it's not as noticeable as if it were in code 3. It just sounds like a more steady noise, so it just seems like something that could be in the background. Just so I don't freak out the neighbors too much whenever I do this, when they go off, So that's what that reason is. So now, let's go inside and do a little test of the fire alarm, shall we? So we are going to start this test by doing what I like to call the silent test. It's just my way of testing all initiating devices. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to log in, and I'm not showing my code. But we are logged into level 3. Then I'm going to go back to control view. And this is our home systems NAC, audibles and visuals. It's a smart sync circuit. Then we'll hit disable, and then it gives us this little drop down menu, and we'll switch it to disable, and then we'll hit enter again and it'll disable. Now you see we have a trouble come up because we just disabled this. And I think, okay, I don't really quite know how to do that. But it's in trouble because I disabled the NAC. So now we'll set off the devices. The panel will go into alarm as usual, and we'll have some noise. Or, I don't know why I said that. It's not going to make much noise beyond the panel. I'm confusing myself. And just for extra security, if you will, I don't want the basement system to go off, so we'll disable those real quick as well. So, let's start with the pull station by the fire alarm control panel. This is device M111, and we'll just key activate it. So now you'll see on the screen, pull station by FACP, fire alarm, and you'll notice the horn strobes aren't going off. And that's because I disabled it. So next we will go and grab our smoke out of the panel and test some smoke detectors. Start with that one right there. And there's that. And just a little sneak peek for test 49. Look forward to that. I'm going to be filming that video after this. So yeah, you'll notice that now we have 2 alarms. And we will continue on. So now, let's go over here. The basement is kind of a mess, but spray the detector. Hopefully that was enough smoke. Let's get a little bit more up there. That should do it. There we go. Next we'll do this smoke detector right here. Just spray that. Maybe a little bit more. There we go. Let's say that detector should work. I was getting a little bit worried there for a second, but now it's activated. Pull station at the top of the stairs. And that's activated. Next up is second floor hallway detector. And there's that. Huh. I guess that detector isn't going off. It's not good. I can't tell if that can is spraying or not. Well, I'll have to do a follow-up on this detector. That's taking way too long to activate. But while we're up here, let's hit this. And that works. So we're gonna have to check back up with that detector here in a second. Alright, so now we're back down at the panel, and you'll see that we've gotten 8 alarms in this time frame. So we'll go ahead and review them. Pull station by FACP. Smoke FACP room. Basement family room. Basement store room. Basement stairway pull. Floor 2 hallway smoke. Floor 2 hallway pull. And bed office room pull. I couldn't get the smoke detector in my room to activate. I think the airflow might have been too high in there, but I'm not sure. We'll go back and check it. Probably after I'm done filming this video. I may or may not have to replace that smoke detector. Alright. So now let's go to control view. Scroll down to NAC. Let's enable. So now system is normal. And we will do a full bell test. After that, we will go outside and see how it sounds out there. I'll see you upstairs. Alright, so now it is time for me to blow your ears out. So, system is normal. Here we go. Kind of loud. You might be able to hear me, but I'm currently standing about probably go walk out here a little bit. It's not like super loud. I'm like at the I'm like standing at the street about 75 feet away from the house, and you can still definitely hear it. From here I would guess you could hear it. Out here, by the time you get like across the street, you don't really notice it anymore because we're too far away. Just like over the wind, you can barely hear it about 100 feet away from the house. So that's the measure I'd put it at. But as I get closer to the house, it gets louder and louder. Like now I'm about 50 feet away. I don't know if it's going to be picked up on the video, but I can definitely hear it loud and clear. And that's looking into the basement right there, so you can definitely hear that. So now we're going to go back inside. Oh, I will see you in there. Now that was very loud. We just had the alarm sounding for probably a solid 3 or 4 minutes there. So you can see, basement stairway pole. That's reactivated from, as you just saw. And there we are. That is the end of this rather long video. So yeah, thanks for watching. Be sure to like, comment, and subscribe, and to check out the links in my description. Thank you, and have a great day.